Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing two giants in the luxury refrigeration market, Thermador and SubZero. Let's dive in. First up, Thermador. Known for its sleek design and advanced features, Thermador offers a range of customizable options. Their refrigerators are built in with flexible storage, energy-efficient cooling, and innovative technology systems to keep your produce fresher for longer. Now let's talk about SubZero. A pioneer in the industry, SubZero is famous for its dual refrigeration system, which keeps your food fresh by maintaining optimal humidity levels. Their air purification system also helps eliminate odors and bacteria, ensuring a pristine environment for your groceries. Both brands offer top-notch quality and design. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.